Welcome to the most underrated address here in Fort Bonifacio beside BGC. This is Park McKinley West. Welcome to the 2-bedroom, 110 square meters here in Park McKinley West. This is a ready for occupancy unit and itutur ko kayo sa loob nito. So upon entering, guys, ang bubukod ka agad sa inyo is yung key card access nyo na door and then itong kitchen. Napakaganda ng kitchen, spacious with a bar type, granite countertop, box type sink with built-in cabinets, of course. Meron din tayong range wood, 4-zone burner cooktop, at built-in oven. All of those are included. And syempre, dito tayo sa video intercom unit na included na rin sa unit nyo. So this is your own maid's room that is convertible to another room. Yan. Provisionary washer and dryer is up there. And this is your half toilet. So you have your own body shower and toilet dyan. So, di ba? This 2-bedroom can be another 3-bedroom if you want to. And this is your spacious living and dining area. Sobrang dami yung pwedeng mailagay dito. Your sofa in here, dining table in here, TV right there. So lahat is pwede nyo gawin. And your access to the balcony. So this is your balcony. So your balcony has the view of greeneries. Not only that, guys. Nasa baba lang din natin yung the shops. So doon tayo. Next is our second bedroom or our first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom. Your bedroom has its own cabinet, of course. Included na rin siya. Split type aircon and another access to the balcony. So, di ba? Saan ka pa? Lahat ng units is merong access sa labas para makakuha ng fresh air na hinahanap natin from our daily lives. Tara? This side. So, and this side naman, guys, is yung toilet and bath natin. So, this is the common toilet and bath. Built-in, lahat na naandyan is included. The glass partition, body shower, rain shower is all included. And of course, the master bedroom. This master bedroom is right about 38 square meters. Correct me if I'm wrong. And meron na rin siyang sariling split type aircon. So lahat ng room natin dito is may split type aircon and merong access to the balcony. So, ito rin natin natin, no? The built-in cabinet and or the walk-in closet natin. So lahat yan na andito. Patungo sa inyong sariling toilet and bath. So ganyan kalaki. Master bedroom with a walk-in closet and your own toilet and bath. So for more questions, viewings, and Zoom meetings, and sa mga family na naghanap ng new home nila, this is the perfect fit for you. Let's upgrade your lifestyle to start to moving here in Park McKinley West. For more questions, viewings, and Zoom meetings, just comment down below so I can assist you. Catch you in the next one.